Hello, I am Sister Tandy. Today I want to have an honest conversation about honesty, specifically about why being truthful during your medical examination is one of the most important things you can do for your own safety. I know it sounds obvious, but the reality is that many workers withhold information during their medicals. They downplay symptoms, they hide conditions, they say they feel fine when they do not. Today, we explore why that happens and why honesty could save your life. Whether you are a worker or an employer, this matters. Always consult with your healthcare provider. Why do people withhold information during a medical? The reasons are understandable. Fear of losing their job, fear of being judged, fear of being taken off a project they need financially, embarrassment about certain conditions, cultural stigma around illness, mental health, or substance use, a belief that they can manage the condition on their own, or simply not wanting to be a burden. These are real human responses to a system that many workers do not yet fully trust. And that is why building trust is so important. Here is why honesty matters more than anything else during your medical. If you hide a condition, we cannot accurately assess your fitness. If we clear you for a task you are not safe for, the risk falls on you. An undiagnosed heart condition in a worker doing heavy physical labor. An undisclosed seizure disorder in a worker at heights. Hearing loss that is masked during the audiometry test by memorizing the pattern. These are not hypothetical scenarios. They are real situations that have led to real injuries and real deaths. Your honesty is not just about a form, it is about your life. Your information is protected under the Protection of Personal Information Act. Your employer does not see your detailed medical results. They receive a fitness certificate with one of the following outcomes: fit, fit with restrictions, temporarily unfit, or unfit. They do not know your blood pressure number. They do not know your glucose level. They do not know about any condition you disclose to our practitioner. That information stays between you and our medical team, unless you specifically provide consent for CareNet consultants to share this information. So when you tell our practitioner about a condition, a symptom, a medication, or a concern, it is confidential. Use that confidentiality to be completely honest. Your CareNet consultant's practitioner is not your employer's spy. They are your healthcare ally. Their job is to protect your health, not to report your secrets. When you tell them about a headache that has lasted 3 weeks, they investigate it. When you mention dizziness when standing, they check your blood pressure. When you disclose a medication, they ensure it does not interfere with your fitness assessment. Every piece of information you share helps them do their job better, which means they protect you better. If you have been hiding something during your medicals, this is your moment to change that. Next time, tell the truth. About the pain you have been ignoring, about the medication you are taking, about the stress that keeps you awake, about the substance you have been using to cope. There is no judgment in that examination room, only care. And if the truth leads to a finding, remember, a finding is information that can change your life for the better. It is always better to know. SADAG is available at 0800 567 567 and www.sadag.organization if you need support. Always consult with your healthcare provider. For employers, you can support honesty by creating a culture where medical findings are not punished but addressed. When workers know that disclosing a condition leads to support and accommodation rather than dismissal, they are more likely to be honest. And honest medicals are accurate medicals. Accurate medicals protect everyone. Always consult with your safety officer. Your employer arranged this medical because they want the truth about your health, not a comfortable fiction. An honest medical system works. A dishonest one is dangerous for everyone. Your employer chose honesty. Choose it too. Always consult with your healthcare provider. Now you understand why honesty during your medical matters, what it means, why it matters, and what to do about it. In our next video, we explore why your medical may be delayed. Always consult with your healthcare provider. Keep watching. Before your next medical, make a mental list of anything that has been bothering you. Headaches, dizziness, joint pain, trouble sleeping, stress, anything. Tell our practitioner. Even small things matter. The more honest you are, the better we protect you. Always consult with your healthcare provider. Your best is good enough for today. Be gentle with yourself. See you next time. CareNet Consultants, your partner in workplace health.